Hello friends, today I am going to start my new video which is on how things work, and this time I am going to show you how does a telescope work. So I recently got this and it is my birthday gift, as on 8th October it is my birthday, and now I am going to unbox it and also tell it what are its features. So let's start by opening the box. So it has 3 times and there are lots of boxes in it. So first we got this box, and then we have this another box. They have different materials which are delicate, so we should handle them carefully. And then we have this box, so there are lots of holders, and then we have this long box which is very big. As I'm holding my phone from one hand, I have only one hand to open it. So this is a big box. It has the stand, and the next is the main telescope, which is very big. I will open it like this. So as you can see, this is the telescope, main one. So now let's open and start from the telescope. So every company has different ones, and I have this one, but this is a standard one. So most all the designs are same. So it is the main telescope. It is very long, and this is only in this box, so this is useless. And now comes this box. This has lots of materials. These are some smaller one, and these can be helpful, as this is just only the main, but to set it up we need smaller ones also. So we have the small accessories in here. So as you can see, there are a lot of accessories. I don't know first of all that what are these and what is their work, but when I will assemble it, we can see. This is the small one which will be on this, and it will be an adjustment. This helps us to see diagonally. This is one of the adjustment, and there is more. So there are a lot of them. There are these screws also, which will help to tighten all these. So this boxes are now empty and useless. So now I will open this box. It has this symbol, which is only one item. So as we can see, we have this holder which will hold this like this, so we can understand this better when it is fixed. Now this is also useless. Now this one, and it has this wheel like on it. It is the tray. As in the main model, there is a tray beneath the telescope, so it would be like this only, and it is stuck. So it is this tray. You can put items on it smaller, like some of these accessories. This is also useless. And last comes this big box, which is the last of it, and I've already opened it off camera, and now I'm just showing you what is in it. And here is the stand. It is one of them. There are 3 of it inside. Here's second, and here's the third. So total we have this much, and this box is also useless. Okay, so I will now just cut it and cut the video and just start when I have assembled it. So please wait for a while.